Hello friends and welcome to a new crypto chat video. This is a short video to explain you how to swap from Solana to G on Solana network your tokens. We have to go on the g/sol.org in order to go on the cross-chain bridge swap. We want to buy with Solana on the Solana network some G tokens. Add the token name. And I want to buy 0.01 Solana because I want them in my wallet. I don't want to swap and transfer them. Confirm. We have to approve it. Few seconds later, your transaction, it has been done smoothly and nicely. You can go in your wallet and you can see your amount of G. Here are 50 G that we bought. And like this you can use it to swap in any other token, whatever you want, not only G, USD coin or whatever. Pretty much guys, that's everything. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. Enjoy your trading and have a good one.